So what this video is about: replacing battery contact on a Husqvarna 540i XP. I have had a little problem with my Husqvarna battery powered chainsaw, and I wasn't too surprised actually. I was waiting for it to happen. It is about the battery connectors. On the chainsaw there are similar connectors like this, and they have to come together when you put in the battery and I like this, and I thought it was just a question before there would be a problem with that, because a little wood chips or similar that would interfere with these plastic connectors could break them, and that is what happened. So on the chainsaw there is now only 3 of these big connectors that is working, and I have got the 4th one in pieces here, and this chainsaw didn't work. But I have ordered new ones. They cost €1 each, not much. I bought 5 pieces from Anderson Power. So I will try to replace and see if I can get it working with these ones. Okay, some close-ups here. Here is the battery connector, and you see there's one missing. And now I just discovered that in able to get the new one in here, I need to put out this little steel pin so that it won't be in the way. I fixed that. So now the steel pin is down, and the coast should be clear to insert this one. Here we go. Look. A little bit more, and then the little steel pin is put back again, and that was only to put the plastic part in here at the right position. Now I have to connect the cable, and as you see the form of this, you can see this little tongue on the other connectors. So this one should be inserted in the right way and get all the way to the front of the connector, and get positioned there by this little metal blade that we see in the orange one. So I will do that. That was it. Now it's positioned. So now the challenge is about getting everything back after I've made a little cleaning here. Okay, now I'll try to get things back together. Quite nice is that all screws are the same, so there's not so many different parts. I recognize that feeling. Okay, then I think I know the rest. 1, 2, 9, 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, before I go further, maybe I should test to put the battery in here now and see that it will work with the, you see the connectors in place now. The battery, actually the connectors are perfectly the same, so these are both male and female, they are equal, and when you put them together they will work, so there are no difference on these. That sounds good. Oh, maybe this is the best way to do this. I think I should do that a little bit more with more force. Get better feeling when you do this manually in the very end.